I'm Sirisha. By profession, I'm a technical writer. I work for a software company, and um I would like to share my vision with you all. So, can you see my screen?
Yes, perfect. Carry on.
So, this is my vision. Uh, I would like to start. I have divided all my vision into seven key areas. First is career. For me, career, when I was attending the procrastination killer workshop, so I had one thing that was very bothering me. That was my uh, why factor. So whole these 15 days I was thinking about my why factor, and this journey gave me a clarity that I always wanted to go on site. Like I wanted to go mm, to a foreign country and pursue my studies or work there. So now I got clarity, so I have incorporated that vision in my vision board. So first I'm choosing my career as my first option. In career, like I have chosen Germany as my on-site work country, and I've written all my what all things I have to do to achieve this dream. So like I'm learning German, I'm improving my writing skills and all the technology things that comes into uh, improving my skills. And these two photos are about the travel, my travel goal. It's Amalfi Coast. It's in Italy. So when I reach Germany, I'm planning to go there. I'll be going there. And I've also written like my salary, what are my salary expectations, and what I wanted to be. Like I want to be a popular writer, and then I have health goal. So health is important. So like everybody, even I have an ideal weight of 53 kgs. I'm around 60, so I want to lose some weight, and I want to practice yoga. I've learned pranayama and also meditation. I i want to eat healthy raw foods and become a vegetarian. And next comes my relationship goals. So like I want to attract people who are real and rewarding. Like I want to attract relationships which are real and rewarding, which help me in growing spiritually, professionally, financially. And I want all my relations to be loving, caring, and contributing. And also like I want to attract people who are kind and compassionate. So that is my relationship goals. And then comes to like meaning, purpose. So like I presently I'm doing this. I support women entrepreneurs. Like whenever I purchase anything, I look for people like women entrepreneurs, and I purchase their products. So it's like my part, encouraging them. Even I follow those people on social media, and I encourage them. Like I comment on their post. I talk to them. I buy their products. So that is my social goal. And also, I want to support a girl child. Um, and Other social goal is I want to buy a farmland and introduce permaculture. And I want to build a farm there, a farm and a house there. And the core value will be living off the grid. Like everything is like water, waste management, um, uh, electricity, everything will be on the farm itself. There will be no um, uh, I would say other expenses. Like everything will be built there, and everything will be done there. That is my social goal. And the learnings are important. So I want to read more books. I want to attend more workshop and improve my knowledge. I want to be more and more creative, and I want to be a like content creator. So this RYB has given me an opportunity to create these posters, FB post. So it's like training camp for me. So now like I'm slowly, I want to increase it. I want to move to my social accounts also. And other goal is my finances. So I want to improve my finances also. I want to build a house, like purchase a home on my own name, and I want to learn how to invest. And I have kept a goal of 1 lakh as my passive income. And for everything we have to do that. One core thing is Swadhyay. Swadhyay is analyzing yourself. So the last goal of mine is and planning, time management. This is self-analysis. So one thing I want to do here is waking up early. I'm a little lazy person. I want to accept here. And I want to I am doing if there are anything like I have to attend any workshop, then only I'll wake up early. Otherwise, I'm a little lazy person. I'll just procrastinate, and postpone things. So I want to improve on that. And other things I want to do is like I want to write my own dreams, goals, and to plan, implement actions, plan actions, and revise them. Revising and reviewing the results is the most important part of the goal. And I'm a creative person, so I've written a kind of mandala in the middle. So where my main goal while achieving this is I'm happy, and I'm a master manifester. And as a writer, I want to be a magnificent writer. And the core thing is like I want to work on site. These are my goals, and this is my vision. Thank you all.
Great.